Hi guys, welcome back to Rockford YouTube channel. For this video, I have some amazing new tool deals to share with you. Now, we're going to start out with a couple of Acme Tools deals, and then we have a bunch of Amazon deals that I want to show you. Amazon deals will all be linked down below. Acme Tools deals will be using the YouTube shopping links. You'll see little boxes pop up here, there, and everywhere as we go along. First one that I want to show you is the Boo Boo HPT Pro Bundle. You got the 3¼ inch framing nailer with bonus impact driver kit and a and a bit set maybe. I kind of like bit kit. We might have to start calling them bit kits. And we have a promo code on top of it. So you're getting the nail gun, right? You're getting the framing nailer. That looks like a pretty decent ass battery, even though I can't see exactly what it is. But we have the impact driver, the battery, and the charger. So it gets you into the full lineup if you're not already in the Meta Boo Boo stuff. But then we also get this 29-piece bit box. So that's good too. Bit box, I like it. And then there's also a mini flashlight with that. And then we're going to use this promo code. So it's going to be, I think it was around $250, which you're also going to get free shipping. And you're going to get all of that. I mean, there is a lot going on there. So pretty good deal if you can use that, the cordless or figure it out. Now this deal, it's on a wide range of Milwaukee outdoor power equipment. It's not specifically just the string trimmer. It is a really good deal for the right person. I just don't know how many people this is really going to apply to. So I'm going to link you to this page right here, and then you can click right here to get the full details, and I'll show you the next page here in 1 second. But if you buy 3 outdoor power equipment items, you save 20%. If you buy 4, you save 30%. If you buy 5 or more, you save 40%. And this goes through June 8th, so you got lots of time unless things sell out. But, I mean, saving 40%? That's amazing. That is a huge savings. But the problem is you got to buy a lot, and these are expensive. So this is everything that is included. You got like the weed whacker, the blower, the chainsaws, a little backpack sprayer guy, pruning shears, another chainsaw, which I kind of like that one. That one looks like it might be better than the Milwaukee one I got. So we have several options, and then the big honker guy here is the self-propelled mower kit with the 2 big-ass, those look like the 12-amp-hour batteries, and then a dual-port charger there. So this is $1,100. It's super expensive, right? But if you were to buy 5 total items here, you're saving 40%. That's a $400 savings on the lawnmower. And of course, you're saving 40% on everything you buy. So, yes, a very expensive promotion, but if you were planning on buying this guy here, you could potentially save 40%. So again, for the right person, it's actually a really good deal. It's just, I don't know how many of you guys are like looking for a shopping spree on Milwaukee outdoor power equipment, but if you are, that's basically why I have M18 Milwaukee stuff. All I have is the pole saw, the regular chainsaw, the blower, the string trimmer. I think that's it. But that's the only reason I'm in Milwaukee's M18 lineup, because I liked the outdoor power equipment stuff. And I have a bunch of outdoor power equipment things for DeWalt, and the Milwaukee ones are definitely better. For whatever it's worth. And then we have this Crescent Canine Jaw Tongue and Groove dipped pliers set. You gotta dip your pliers. Normally $25 down to $11.79. Now you're gonna have to add a shipping charge into that. If you don't buy anything else, you'll have to add $5.99. But if you're gonna buy something else, throw it in there for $11.79. It is a pretty good deal. Now let's move on to our Amazon deals. These are going to be linked all down below. First, we got a dash cam, front and rear, 2.5K, 1440p triple car camera, 32GB card, 3-channel. It's by Bay Asu, and it is 50% off. So it looks like we have front facing, and then interior camera, and then a rear camera, and that's how we get our 3 different cameras. $69.99, but we have a promo code here. It's supposed to go through the end of the month. It's 50% off, so you're going to pay $34.99 for 3 dash cams, or a dash cam with 3 cameras in it. Portable USB rechargeable flashlight, high brightness wick. Someone explain that to me. What's a high brightness wick? Fast charging flashlight by Sliverzet. Sliverzet. It's 40%. This is actually super cheap. I don't know how long this is going to last. There was only one review. I think it was 5 stars, but I don't know. But it was only one, so it doesn't mean anything. But look how tiny this little flashlight is. And I like the belt clip on there because you can even clip it on your hat. I always did that with my little tiny flashlights before I had headlamps, or even I guess now that I do, but you clip that thing right on your hat and it works like a headlamp. So it's normally $20, but it's down to $9.99. But right now, there's actually two different promo codes. You can try that one, or you can try this one. Both of them were working earlier today. But that's another $4 off, so you're only going to pay $5.99 for a rechargeable flashlight. That's really amazing. Pinless wood moisture meter, drywall moisture detector, lumber, concrete, building, woodworking, color LCD display by Mestech. 30% off. So the pinless one, so you don't gotta like jam a couple of holes in whatever you got. But this is perfect when your basement floods and you think, okay, I gotta cut the drywall up about a foot because it got wet. And then you put that meter there and you're like, oh no, I gotta go more than a foot. Go 2 feet? Nope, gotta go more than 2 feet. 3 feet? Alright, we're dry. See? Totally useful. $31.99. Now we have a Prime member discount, which I think took it down to like 27 or 28, so that's where you're going to start at if you're a Prime member. And then we're taking another 30% off of that, and we have another day to take advantage. It'll expire tomorrow. Tomorrow. I forgot how the rest of the song goes. 2-pack, 6 amp hour, 20 volt batteries. These are DeWalt compatible batteries, and you're getting the dual port charger to go with it. This is by Yo. 30% off. Really liking these compatible batteries. I didn't see, maybe it says in here what the output is of the charger. I don't see, so I don't know how fast it's going to charge them, but 2 6 amp hour batteries, that's where your money's at really. I don't know how many people care about the charger. $83.99, but we have a 30% coupon on the Amazon page, and that's 2 6 amp hour batteries. Magnetic Eyeglass Repair Toolkit, Eyeglass Repair Kit by Tech Prem, and it is 50% off. So this is super cheap, totally worth picking up. Starts out at $6.79, but then the 50% promo code, it's like $3. But here's the thing. So I bought this, and I actually had a video, but I was too lazy to embed it on here. You get a million different tiny screws. So if you've ever had glasses and like sometimes the screw at the hinge falls out or something, then you're screwed because you're never going to find that damn thing. And what are the odds you have another screw? Well, if you buy this kit, you have the screw you need. So it comes with all the screws, comes with replacement nose pieces, all different varieties. And then this is a screwdriver keychain. You can unscrew the caps and there's a little mini screwdriver in there. And then you get the full size like screwdriver guys. You get little tweezers. Definitely worth $3. 100%. Makita 12 volt multi-cutter kit. Now I know the 12 volt Makita kit or Makita system is not the most popular, but this is a full kit, so it gets you totally going. And I love these little cutters like this. If you ever have to do some like box cutting, which I had to do all the time selling on eBay, or plastic, things of that nature, this style of cutter is very, very good. It's amazing. It is the best way. And then if this one is like the skill one I have, the back side of this has a little channel on it. And if you put that right on the groove when you're cutting a box, it'll cut it so the flaps fold just perfect. You just ride that groove all the way down the flap. $98 on sale right now. Acme Tools is $139 plus shipping, and then Home Depot, look at that, $280. What the hell is going on over at Home Depot? So $98 full kit. Yeah, it's 12 volt. That's gonna be a kick in the pants for some people, but still a good deal. 25 pack, 3-inch cutoff wheels by ZKH. Seen a couple of their deals lately. The Impact Wrench deal from yesterday, which was amazing, probably still available. So you might want to type ZKH into the search bar up here and find that Impact Wrench because that was a really good deal. This is a 25 pack. Lots of them. Starts out $12.99. We got the 40% promo code that's going to go through the 21st. So like $7 or something. 4-pack magnetic wrench organizer. 64 slot wrench rack tool slots, tool trays by KJE, both SAE and metric. Now the kind of interesting thing about this, you see it's the 4-pack there. It's got the hangy holes. It's $9.49. That's just a sale price. No promo code, no coupon. If you go to the Amazon page, there's another variation with just 2. The 2-pack is $10.50. The 4-pack is $9.49. So I think you know what to do. Play it smart. Crescent hybrid folding utility knife. Look at that guy. $10.47. Price match in Home Depot. Acme Tools has it for $20.29. Lowe's also has it for $20.29, so about half price those other retailers. My favorite kind of utility knife. Folding it up there, keep it in your pocket. Nice and compact. Easy to change the blades. What's not to like about those guys? Alright guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe for a nice subscriber. I'll see you next time.